but at this point 15 are unaccounted for. We are providing chaplain services to the family members. There was an evacuation of initially 1 mile radius for neighborhoods in a 1 mile area surrounding the business. That has since been shrunk to a half-mile radius. But at this point, the fire department, they're all on scene trying to just make sure everything is under control. As you stated just a minute ago, everything started to flare up. The fire spread to another part of the plant. At that point, they had to back away a little bit, obviously for their safety. But at this point, they just want to make sure that everything is under control before they proceed into the plant any further. I know of 7 that were transported to local hospitals, 15 unaccounted for. 2 of them we know escaped the plant uninjured. Well, apparently they store the propane cylinders in different parts on the property in different areas of the plant. And as the fire continued to spread, there were more and more explosions, as she said, pretty recently actually. So, I mean, that just really obviously presented some challenges for the fire personnel to get in and get it contained and under control.